Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today's video is on how to make your delicious akara, beans balls or kose. Please watch and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Share this video and like it. Get your beans, long sweet peppers, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning, salt, oil for frying, and spring onions. Soak your beans in water. I'm using here a cup and a half beans. Mash and wash the beans. Here I don't have any mortar and pestle, so I'm using my hand to peel off the skin of the beans. Pour some water and use a bowl and a sieve to collect the skin. This is what we have now. Soak it in water. Now cut your pepper, onions, and the hot spicy pepper, and then blend it to a paste. Please add less water, minimum water, to get a thick paste. The long pepper adds to the coloring. Mix the paste very well, beat it very well. Add some onions. I'm using the seasoning and some salt. Mix properly, very well. Add here your spring onions. Heat oil in a pan and then put some of the paste one after the other. Allow each side to fry till it is golden brown, then turn to the other side and allow it to fry too. When it's okay, bring it out and repeat the same process for the rest mixture. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Please comment also down below. You can enjoy this with custard, ogi, pap, with your bread, or do your African burger. Yeah, you see how inside is looking very good, and it tastes very good. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video, give this video a thumbs up. Bye.